Do subscribe my channel for more videos and also hit the bell icon for notifications. Hello friends, I am Priti and welcome back to my channel Krazzy for DIY. So guys, I know you all are very much disappointed. I haven't been uploading videos for a long time now and I'm sorry for that. I really am. Also, I was so overwhelmed reading your comments to start making videos again. So here I am, back again. So guys, 9th May is Mother's Day, second Sunday of the month. And I've made 3 really quick and last minute greetings. Very lockdown appropriate. Also, I've made Mother's Day gift ideas before. I'm linking those in the description box below if you wanna check them out. Now without much ado, let's begin.
So our first DIY is this cute badge. We'll start by taking a printed paper and mark dimensions 12 inch by 1.5 inch. And we need to cut 2 strips of the same dimensions. And here they are. Now we'll take a strip and mark score lines on every half inches. Like so. And we need to fold them in zigzag pattern. Like so. And repeat the same with the other strip. So we have both the strips ready. Now we join them both with Fevicol. Like so. And also on the other end in this manner. So it forms a circle. Now we'll take 2 cutout circles in cardstock paper and just follow what I did here. First we secure the back side and then the front side. And that's how it looks. Now we take 2 equal length of strips like so of around 5 inches . And cut them like this to make the end of the ribbon. And we paste them in the back side. You can cover this with another circular paper. And that's it. I took a round paper and wrote number 1 mom in it. And we'll paste it on the top. And yeah, we are done. You can stick it on the top of a card or you can attach double-sided tape or a pin in the back and gift it to your mom. The second one now is a basic greeting card with a small punch in it. So for this one, I have taken a cardstock paper, folded it like a card, and now we'll take a heart shape and trace it on the top of our card. Yeah, like so. And now we'll take a needle and poke holes over the heart shape. Like this. And all over. And that's how it will look. Now just erase the outline like so. Now we'll put a red thread in the needle and just pass the needle through the holes in abstract pattern. And just look at the end result. So beautiful. Just write a beautiful quote within or paste a picture and this lovely card is ready within minutes. And for our last idea, we'll need a few popsicle sticks, a strip of paper and Fevicol. On the paper, we'll arrange the sticks with the Fevicol. I'm trying to make a zigzag pattern here and will continue similarly. This length looks sufficient and now we cut off the extra paper. Now we take this thread and attach it to our base. These wooden clips will help us attach our pictures or note to it. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. I'm using a sellotape. If you have a glue gun, you can use that. And you can paste a string behind to hang. Looks so aesthetic.
So guys, do tell me how you like these ideas. I had lots of fun trying them out after so many days and I hope you had lots of fun recreating them too. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, share these ideas with your loved ones, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, do it now. Bye guys, and do it yourself. For more such videos, do subscribe my channel, like, share and comment on my videos, and stay tuned. Also follow me on my social media networks. I'm there on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram and Twitter by the name of Krazzy for DIY.